What's going on, everybody? We're back today. Gonna be hopefully picking up a bike. We'll see. It's kind of a etchy deal. I'll get into the details, but I was on Marketplace last night just looking around, and I came across a TTR 110 posted for about $1,300. Now, a couple years ago, I wouldn't really think that's that great of a deal, like maybe just a fair deal. But for what I've been seeing them posted for around the same year, they're being posted for like almost $1,000 more than that. So we're gonna go check this out, hopefully pick it up. It was kind of weird, so I hit him up last night a little bit like 10:30, 11 p.m. and he never got back to me, and he got back to me this morning. I think someone was supposed to come pick it up at about 8 this morning, but they may have like talked him down a little bit, is what it sounded like. So I told him I'd come with the full $1,300 cash, and then he gives me his address. Basically, yeah, says that's fine and everything. So it's been kind of weird because he hasn't been really good on the communication. Basically, I said, can I come cash in hand today? And he said someone's coming before 8 this morning today. And I told him I would come with the full $1,300 cash. And his next text was his address along with, he said $1,300. So I don't know, it sounds like his English may not be that well, but he marked it as pending when I said that. So it still says pending, it doesn't say sold, but he hasn't viewed any of these messages, because if you guys have used Facebook Marketplace, you might know how you can kind of like see if someone's viewed the messages, and it doesn't show he's viewed these messages. So I don't know if it's sold, I don't know if he just hasn't been looking at his phone, but it's only about 22 minutes away from my house, so we're gonna just go over there and knock on the door and see if it's still there. There's a chance it may be sold, because as I said, I guess someone was supposed to come 8 this morning, and maybe they came up with a $1,300. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I got the cash right here, so hopefully it is still available, and we pick ourselves up a pit bike here. But I'll get back up with you guys when I get to the house. All right, y'all, I'm pulling up to his house, and it's kind of just like a little trailer park. So I don't know about this. A lot of these places don't even look like they'd have a spot to put a dirt bike, but I don't know, maybe I'll check it out. Yeah, I guess we'll check it out. I'm gonna throw the GoPro on the chest mount and put that on just in case anything happens, but all right, we'll see here. All right, we're rolling on the chesty, baby. Well, no answer. All right, y'all, so we actually got an update on this bike. I thought this whole video was gonna be scrapped, deal was done, bike was gone, but it's 4 hours later now. I went originally at like 12:30 midday, and now it's about 4:30. The guy says he's back from work, which is weird because he said he was going to work at 4, I swear. But as I said, I don't know, his English didn't really seem that good. So anyway, he says the bike's still available, so it's only 20 minutes. It really wasn't a huge deal, it was just kind of annoying. But we're gonna head back over there and give it a little take two. So I'll get up with you guys and put you on the chesty when we get over there, and we'll see what's going on with that. All right, just pulled up, take two, let's do it. Hopefully this bike isn't a piece of crap. Oh yeah, right there. Does the battery work or no? Oh yeah, the battery works too. I'm just gonna take it up and down the street real quick, if that's cool. All right, everything looked good. Whoo! All right, y'all, we did just pick this thing up. It's a little bit dirty, but could use a little wash. But all in all, it's a pretty clean bike, honestly. Starts right up. Let's go ahead and hop up in here and show y'all. So TTR 110, 2017. Part of my truck bed, it's dirty as hell, but So honestly, I'm pretty stoked on this thing. I'm probably gonna get home and clean it up. I did want to get a little first ride on it, get the GoPro on and do a first ride on it today, but it's getting dark out now. So that'll have to wait. So stay tuned for the first ride video on this thing, but I'm pretty stoked on it. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm trying to decide if I want to resell it or keep it for a little bit and then resell it, or just keep it. I got it for a pretty good price. As I was saying before, I could sell it for probably like $1,000 more. Well, a little less than $1,000 more than I bought it for. So I might have to do that soon, because I have been wanting a pit bike, but the two pit bikes that I would really want would be a either a KLX 110L, which I've had in the past back when I was like younger, probably 15, or the 2019 and up CRF 110s, which are fuel injected. The 2019 and up ones are. So those are pretty cool, but I don't know, this is a pretty good little bike. Riding it around, it was pretty fun. It popped the front wheel up, so we'll have to see what we can get into on it. Maybe do some little pit bike adventures in some urban spots that I got. But anyways, guys, it is getting dark here, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this video off. I will have a video riding this thing really soon, so stay tuned for that, and let me know what you think of the bike. Other than that, guys, be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.